On Tuesday, the mega supplier created and then jettisoned by General Motors Co. will disappear. It is becoming two independent companies, each legally headquartered in the United Kingdom, that are angling to exploit transportation megatrends in connectivity, autonomy, electrification, and clean engines. Photo, file. A dozen years ago, the bankruptcy of what's now Delphi Automotive plc signaled the beginning of a recapitalization that has been transforming the Detroit auto industry ever since. On Tuesday, the mega supplier created and then jettisoned by General Motors Co. will disappear. It is becoming two independent companies, each legally headquartered in the United Kingdom, that are angling to exploit transportation megatrends in connectivity, autonomy, electrification, and clean engines. Aptiv plc, operated from offices in Troy, will continue Delphi's efforts in high-value electronics, smart mobility, and autonomous driving and be listed on the New York Stock Exchange under the symbol APTV. Delphi Technologies plc, based in London, will focus on next-generation powertrains, aftermarket sales, and trade as DLPH. Their path to the historic split symbolizes the reinvention sweeping the automakers and suppliers that defined Detroit's first century in the auto industry: make hard decisions and adapt to change or cease to exist. And Delphi's 12-year journey to this point demonstrates the human costs and financial rewards in roughly equal measure. What Delphi said is, "We can't be a commodity business," said David Cole, Chairman Emeritus of the Ann Arbor-based Center for Automotive Research. "We need to be a tech business. If you're the low-cost commodity, you'll survive. If you're not, you'd better be at the leading edge of technology. It's a different world. They're dealing with technology that is really critical. The key with Delphi is to not become static at the leading edge. If you're not at the leading edge, you get into trouble in a hurry. It's a very different company. The name is the same, but that's about it. Only one of the names is similar, actually." Aptiv will be led by current Delphi Automotive plc CEO Kevin Clark, a Livonia native who played hockey at Michigan State University, earned an MBA there and honed his financial chops inside Chrysler Corp's finance department and, later, private equity. Aptiv is expected to close this year with revenue of $12.5 billion and 145,000 employees worldwide, only 4,600 of them in the United States and 1,000 of those in Michigan. Delphi Technologies, with revenue just under $5 billion, will employ 20,000 at operations in 24 countries. Automakers facing enormous technical challenges, relentless cost pressure, encroachment by Silicon Valley and consumer expectations shaped by their newest electronic devices want suppliers to offer tailored, robust technological solutions, not the one-stop shopping epitomized by yesterday's Delphi. "The need to be deep and narrow in focus is more beneficial for our customers and more profitable for Delphi and its successor companies," Clark said in an interview Monday, explaining the rationale for the split. "We need to be out front from a technology standpoint.